Hi everybody. Oh, the wind is picking up. I am here at the Civic Centre, and this is the central bus stop in Cape Town City Centre. So if you're not sure where or how to get onto your other bus, or you missed a stop or whatever, you just come to the Civic Centre. You can get onto any bus and they will help you. They're very helpful, they're very friendly, but also look at that, that's Table Mountain. Can you see that? All right. Okay, well, let me show you, if it's your first time using the MyCiTi buses, if you're a visitor, a tourist, or just moved to Cape Town, or just visiting, you know, from other parts in South Africa, let me just show you how to navigate through it, and yeah, maybe it's helpful. I hope so. All right, everybody, let's go. This is your first stop. This is where you are going to buy MyCiTi card, and it looks like this. All right, so this is what you need to get on and off the buses. This is also where you recharge if you run out of money, and if you want to check your card and see how much you got left on your card, we have these stations where you can see all the information. Okay, and then here's your card. Here we have the timetables, okay, of all different bus lines running, and it shows you which platform to go to and in how many minutes the bus is arriving and what the bus number is. So they have different buses going from different platforms, so just be sure that you use it correctly. Okay, it's plain and common and simple. You just tap in here. And this is the Civic Centre. It's huge. Now everywhere you have helpful people from MyCiTi. If you have a question, you can just ask. They also have a large information centre over there. Clean toilets if you need to freshen up. Oh, I want to show you this. This is epic. This is really cool. I have this one friend, his name's Ben, he's a musician, he does art like this. It's quite impressive. Very cool, right? Okay, now these are the different platforms, okay, but it keeps on going and they're numbered. I mean, it's really not difficult to navigate, but I just want to show you it goes all the way to the end. All right, so just ask if you're not sure where to go, which platform to go to. They have signs up everywhere guiding you along. For me, I'm going to platform 3. So when you get to your platform, there will be a bus schedule there telling you in how many minutes the bus will arrive. And if it's a platform with different numbered buses and different routes, then they will list it that way. So you just got to read or ask, and that's it. All right, well, I hope this was helpful. Thank you everybody for subscribing and for watching. Until next time, bye.